Hello, I'm back again. I come down on my old motorbike. I thought I'd come down yesterday. Took me 3 hours. Not bad going, was it?
Hello and welcome to what I'm hoping will be a very short project. I bought this thing on eBay as a non-runner and I aim to get it into, well, roadworthy, MOT'd and then in regular use. Now, despite its looks, it's not a police bike. It never has been. This is actually just a standard touring bike. It's been dressed up like this by a film company. It apparently appeared in the TV series The Crown, which I've never seen, but I've heard of at least. Once they finished filming, this was just abandoned in the yard basically until they decided to get rid of it. So yesterday, over the course of what turned out to be a very long day, I hired a van, drove all the way down to London, collected this, and then collected Grandad on the way back home. I won this on eBay for just over 800 quid as a non-runner. If we can get it running, it's actually a bargain. If we can't, then it's not, but that's the gamble you take, isn't it? It's only got 42,000 on the clock, which for these bikes is very low. First thing we're going to do is just give it a good clean, because it's absolutely minging. And then we'll tally up all the things missing off of it and take it from there. I'll also put the battery on charge, and I'm expecting the battery to be dead by now.
What, they got a cigar lighter here?
Yeah.
That seems weird, doesn't it?
So it did have police across the rear panniers and across the front there.
Did it? Oh,
Yeah.
did it?
But they took that off before I got to it.
Oh, yeah, down
Which
here.
probably just as well. That one's unlocked, I think. Yeah. There it is. So that should hinge down rather than fall off, I think.
Put a little bit of WD in there before we lock it back up.
Yeah, I will. Yeah, it's a good idea.
Nothing in it.
No. So the important thing now is to get the battery off and try and charge it up.
I'll get the manual. It might, no. It's been laying around that long.
Yeah. Let's see what the meter says. Yeah, it says 4 volts.
4 volts.
Yeah. So I think we can assume that battery's probably dead, but I'm going to try charging it anyway. Well, after a little while the battery did start taking a charge. It's been on charge all day now and the little green lights come on to say that it's fully charged. So we're going to give it a shot. The lights on the ignition are lighting up really bright now, so that's a good sign.
Different, oh. Oh, lovely. Where was that? I looked for that.
It's just there, that red one. Yeah.
That's lovely, wasn't it?
That's off. That's on in the middle.
It went to fire.
It did, didn't it?
No, it's not fire. No. No. It's no good now, you'd be flooding it.
Three.
3.
It's the 3-cylinder version. Yeah, it looks a bit black.
Hey?
Looks a bit black.
Black, yeah. I guess that.
That one.
That could be blocked, see? Not getting, well, I don't know, they're down.
Yeah, 2 of them are gone. that's popped. Good.
Alright.
No, that's gone, that one.
Hey?
That's gone, that one.
What's that one for?
It's the Kraffelup.
The what?
The Kraffelup. German.
I get my glasses. This is in German, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, but you read it. I think I'll need my glasses. Find out what they do, and if it's one for lights, check the lights and change them over. If we don't do lights, we just want to start it up.
Yeah, that's a fair point. Wow, exciting.
Happy with it?
Yeah.
It'd take getting a bit used to, because you're not used to that one.
Yeah.
Sticks out a bit more than the front, you know?
Yeah.
It's a bit deceiving. I'll take myself with a copper complete handle, I can. I shouldn't worry about it. Once you've got it going like that, everything's all right. The rest is, as you say, out filter.
Yeah.
The pump might want cleaning out, because I mean you're going to strip it and do it, aren't you?
Yeah.
There might be a drop of water in the pump, and
It's got old fuel in there as well.
it's going. That's the main thing.
Did I get a bargain or what?
Yeah. Goodbye. £800.
Yeah.
What's £800 a day?
Not a lot. Well, like I said, a lot less than the going rate.
Yeah. And it's going. That's the main thing.
Yeah.
If it wasn't going, then you might have £800 of bleeding problems.
Yeah.
It's running.
But that's the thing, see, if 5 minutes work and they would have got it running for the sale. And it would have made a lot more at auction if it had been a runner.
Did they advertise it as a non-runner?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But now we can go through the handbook and order up all the bits for a service.
Yeah.
And I'll order the new mirror, or replacement mirror rather.
That'll do for today.
Yes.
We got lift off.
Is this legal? Is riding around with these markings on this bike legal? So we've got some stuff at the bottom, it's like jelly.